That I go on Rookery Road.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga, 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 yo! We're outside again! So yes. Yes, yes, yes. Soho Road again. I'm still looking for a quick munch. What am I gonna go for? I mean, I do granddad's patties all the while. Get me? Oh, there, they police. What's going on there? But yeah, I've just realised it was round here. I wonder if it was just there. With that ute there. that ute there, Clark, that policeman. Mad. No, actually, I think it was further up. You know what, let's go down Rookery Road. Let's see what I got on Rookery. I thought I go on Rookery Road. So yes, this is Rookery Road, Handsworth family. It's busy though. Busy road. People's driving is crazy. I mean, look, there is indicating to go that way. Like, imagine it's pulled that way to turn that way. Like, swear down, man. Again, you have to drive and ride in survival mode in certain places in Brum. I don't know about anywhere else here, but I'm telling you, this ain't even the worst of it, to be fair. let's see if Honey Monster shop's open. Let's have a look. I don't know what time. Oh, Jerk and Grill is not open yet, man. Mate, I'll come out at the wrong time when it comes to trying to get food, you know, really and truly. Especially if I'm trying to get Caribbean food. Let me turn around. So if you're looking food, this is supposed to be another banging spot. Niceness Jerk and Grill. Not sure when they're open, but look on the Instagram. I'm sure they're probably supposed to open around 12 or something like that. I don't know. Or maybe the shops are opening it more evening time. I'm not sure. See, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to end up having to just go to McDonald's to route it. And that's what I didn't want to do still. I wanted something with a little more oomph, you know what I mean? Okay, you know, eating a cheeseburger from Maccadee's is like eating a bag of crisps. Like, you don't really do nothing for you. Get me? Don't. I'm gonna end up having to go to Big John, innit? That's what's gonna happen, innit? Just to get a little snack. Blue Marley. Oh, is it open? Yeah, we can do that still. Blue Marley. If I should park up here. Man, like, what are you saying, bro? You good? Yeah, man.
Like that.
Ah, balance. How do people know me, like, through the helmet? I that me one though. Yes, almost can get some food in here. Anyway, family, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Melt.
Brum biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your back a rep, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.